Hello, boys and girls. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Monkey. So, tell the boys and girls, where did you go last week? Did you go to the mountains? No, the mountains, no. I went to the beach in Costa Brava. Oh, wow. Did you like it? Yes, I loved it. Was the water cold or was it hot? It was very, very cold, but I went swimming and it was okay. Very good, Monkey. And Monkey, where are you going this week? I'm going camping. I'm going camping. Yes. Do you like camping, Monkey? Yes. Yes, I love camping. Boys and girls, do you like camping? Do you like to go camping? I love camping. I love to go camping. So, Monkey, this week he's going to go camping. But Monkey, where? Where are you going to go camping? I'm going to go camping in Tarragona. Oh, nice. Super, super nice. Okay, so let's think. What do we need to go camping? What does Monkey need? Does he need a television? No. Let's have a look. Let's look. What does Monkey need? So first, Monkey, he will need, what's this, Monkey? It's a tent. A tent. Very good, Monkey. You will need a tent. And Monkey will need a sleeping bag. A sleeping bag. Oh yes, I need a sleeping bag. And also, when it's the night time, you will need a torch. A torch. Oh yes, I will need a torch to see outside. Because in camping, it's very dark, isn't it? So you will need a torch. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, can you remember? What does Monkey need? What does Monkey need? What does he need? No? What does he need? Very good. He needs a tent. A tent. He needs a sleeping bag. A sleeping bag. And when it's the night time, what does he need? A banana? No. Well, yes, I love bananas. But he will need a torch. A torch. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, Monkey, I have a question. Question. What is your favorite thing about camping? What is your favorite thing about camping? Oh yes, I know. I love barbecues. When I go camping, we have a barbecue. Yes, Monkey likes to have a barbecue. Do you like to have a barbecue, boys and girls? Yes? I love a barbecue. We have some chicken, some sausages, hamburgers. Oh, yum. I love hamburgers. I love hamburgers. No, Monkey, this, no. Okay, boys and girls. Okay, Monkey, you better go and get your bag and go camping. Okay, boys and girls, I need to go and get ready to go. Where am I going? Camping. Yes. Okay, boys and girls, and Monkey will see you next week. Okay, boys and girls. Bye, boys and girls.